Friends, it is Running Kimono, and we have a really great basket of goodies over at Walgreens, where I actually got it for free this morning. Digital coupons, nothing special, stacking 2 boosters. So it went really well. There are a couple snags though with the app. So you know what I would recommend, and I know a lot of you are going to be like, oh, Monday shopping, because some of these digital coupons you can't load and it's quite stressful, but we will jog you through that. I was able to make things work, and I'll also show you what I did. Yesterday, I posted a video on this. It's all over TikTok. It's called Quiet Quitting. And I basically shared a story of me being in a workplace where I was basically drowning. And a lot of you shared your stories. I will try and reply to everybody, because a lot of these are really a lot of you were really put through the gears too out at your workplace. And if you like these sort of chat sort of videos, and if you might be having a hard time at the workplace, this video, pretty great story time, and also the comments, you guys really shared a lot. So I will link this video at the very end. As I was saying earlier about all the snafus with the app, see, this is the digital coupon that we really need to work, and we can't even load it. I've been trying to load it since like 6 a.m. and you just get this error message. So I'm thinking later it might work. If you have to call customer service for this, it might be really difficult because they can be pretty rude. But as I suspected in my Friday video, I thought this would be part of the 2 for 11 buy 4 get a $6 register reward. And yes, it is in fact it. I could not even try out this deal because my store only had one of these power washes, so I was kind of out of luck there. But as you can see, it's tagged $6 reward when you buy 4. So let's just talk about this deal once this digital can start, attaching. Or if you might have 2 of these, by all means, you can try. This is from the September P&G, which I believe was in last weekend's newspaper. So you're going to need 2 of these manufacturers, and plus this booster to line it up to get this power wash for the absolute cheapest. So I would grab 4 of them for $22 on the nose, so hopefully your store has the stock. Have that booster, 5 back when you spend 20 loaded. Have the 1 digital BOGO free and 1 from the September P&G, or 2 from the September P&G if you can work it that way. Pay $14.02 with your debit card, because it's only $3.99 coming off, guys, as per the coupon. You're getting back $6 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $3.02 for the 4, or 75 cents per power wash. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, but this is some cheaper than dirt power wash. If you use power wash, you know this is a really great product and a very good deal. Now, if power wash isn't your thing, the big Dons are also 2 for 11, and buy 4, get back a $6 register reward. So that's also another alternative. Actually, you could use this to make power wash, but the coupons for the power wash. We have 2 for 11 for the Gain fireworks, if you like the nice smellies in your laundry. Those little scent beads, yes. And then also one that's not always included, but it is this go around, the Cascade Platinum. Those little pods for your dishwasher, if that's your thing. This is a tremendous thing, especially with that $6 register reward. And we also have the double pack of the Febreze with Gain, the spray. If you have 0 boosters, like nothing, definitely take in this free toothpaste. So the Colgate total, this specific one, is $3.99, $4 reward when you buy 2. And in my Friday video, I was kind of speculating that we would get like a really high value digital coupon to make it free. And look at this gorgeous coupon. Toothpaste only, guys. Grabbing 2 of the toothpaste for $7.98, subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $3.98 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it free. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can in fact use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. No problems, no issues. You can spend it to earn that register reward. And just to give you guys a quick little peek, like, did you actually get one? Yes. And here it is, $4 register reward from Colgate Palmolive. Now, I did a larger basket, guys. One of these printed out for me, which is 9 back when you spend 40. So I had to get a $40 basket. But to work in concert with that, I had a digital booster, which is this guy, which is $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20. For my basket, I grabbed 2 of the Aveeno body washes. I'll talk about that in a second. 3 of the Olay bar soap, 2 of the toothpaste, and 100 grand to get the basket right to 40 bucks. So I was short by a couple pennies, so I needed to grab that 100 grand candy bar. So with the Olay deal, this is a pretty fire deal as well. They are 2 for $11. Definitely open up your IBOTTA app and scan every single one, because you know what, guys? IBOTTA is being very, very fussy that only certain cents are attaching. Digitally, guys, we have a $2 for one of them, which is like a really high value coupon, along with his big sister, which is this $3 digital coupon. So last week when I was like, you better load your coupons, yeah, $5 off right there. Now to make this a little bit sweeter, IBOTTA is giving back $2 per body wash. That's $4 back. Plus I had this little 10-center. So if you add that up, it makes the body wash like $1 each, which is a really good price. As suspected, bar soap is in fact included with this. There were so many issues with a lot of us not being able to get that $5 store register reward not to scan, so I think they flipped the script on us this week, guys. So it's $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy 3. So for my curbside deals, this is some good news because it's Walgreens cash. It's not a register reward. We also have this gorgeous coupon that showed up, which is $5 off of 3. So please make sure you have it loaded for optimal savings. And then also to get my basket right to $40, because I was short, I grabbed one of these 100 grand candy bars. Looking at the mathematics for this, the 1 candy bar for $1, the 2 Colgates for $7.98, 2 Aveeno body washes for $11, and then 3 Olays for $21 on the nose. The total for my basket is $40.98. I got the cashier to scan my booster, which was $9 back when you spend $40. Plus I had my digital booster loaded, which is $5 back when you spend $20. I also had $14 in digital manufacturers loaded for all of those good items. So with my debit card, I paid $26.98. And then I got back $19 in Walgreens cash plus one $4 register reward. I also got back $4 from IBOTTA for the purchase of the 2 Aveeno body washes, essentially making this complete haul for free. Let's not forget, guys, to not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. Now, if you are in need of some fancy toilet paper, this is also the week for you. So these Cottonelles are exactly 10 on the nose, and I started getting like really high value digital coupons showing up for Cottonelle in the last couple of days. So let's utilize one of those, shall we, for this little deal. You're going to grab 2 of those, plus we have this 5 off of 2. As you can see, it expires like the day before Halloween. So like, whoa, load it. And then on IBOTTA, we have 50 cents back for each. So that's $1 back for both of the purchases. So how lovely is that? So grabbing 2 of these Cottonelles, that's 20 on the nose. Subtracting that 5 off of 2, you're paying 15. Getting $1 back from IBOTTA. So it makes it $14 for the 2 or 7 per. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. As Cottonelle is part of their catalog, yes, you will get back a little something for that. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash if you just want to do this deal for some inexpensive toilet paper. Now, I had a prediction in my Friday video about these larger Aussies. I'm like, wouldn't it be nice if this was included? And guess what, guys? It is in fact included. So definitely for a curbside deal, be on the lookout for this because I'm going to like do the heck out of this deal. And as you can see, I scanned it, 2 for $12, buy 3, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. So a little something called awesome. Now, before I take off, let's have a little giveaway for a $10 Walgreens gift card. To participate, you must be a subscriber to this channel. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. The one winner will be picked on Thursday, September the 8th, and I will pin the winner's name to the top of this video so you'll be able to see who won. Last week, I believe it was a young lady from Boston, that area, Boston, Massachusetts. So she was really excited and sent me a message right away, and that's already been sent off in the mail. Good luck, everybody, and remember, this is completely free. I pay for the stamps and the card. So good luck, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.